24 is the next. This is related to series. This is related to series. In such cases, what you have to do is you have to trial and error. You have to trial and error, because for such a series, there can be more than one answer also. But among the given answers, which is the right one? For that, what we have to do is we have to do the trial and error method. So you have to add the options. So you have to substitute the options here and then check. So here, if I substitute this first one, B, A, D, C, try to make sense of this. A, B, B, C, D, A, B, B, C, D, fine. A, B, C, D, D, A, B, C, C, D. See here, B is twice, B is twice, understood? But here, D is twice and C is twice. So why B, B, D, C? I don't know. I don't know the logic. Let us hold this. Let us not decide anything on this. Now, put the second one. B, A, C, D. A, B, B, C, D. A, B, B, C, D. A, B, C, C, D. A, B, C, D, D. Again, the same logic. I'm not getting convinced. Now, A, C, D. So A, B, C, D, A, B, B, C, D, A, B, C, C, D, A, B, C, D, D. See, here A is twice, here B is twice, here C is twice, and here D is twice. There is an order. There is an order that in the first expression A is getting twice, B, next C, next D. So that makes sense. So even if you substitute this one, here you will get DD and here you will get CD. So here A, B, D, C is not an order. So the ultimate answer is C. So in such cases, you have to go for trial and error. You have to go for the reverse engineering. That is, apply the options, put the options and then check. That will help you, because for one question, for one pattern, there can be more than two right answers, or there can be more than one right answer. I'm sorry. So better you check from the options and decide.